Hey guys, welcome back. So today we are doing yet another birthday unboxing. Today's unboxing is from Cleef Arpels. I don't know why I'm holding this up, like if you could tell that this is from Cleef Arpels, but believe me, it's from Cleef Arpels. If you guys missed my first two birthday unboxings, I'll link them both up here. I unboxed two very special bags, which you can see both of them behind me. So really, do you want to watch it? I don't know, but they're there. But today I'm unboxing my new jewelry piece. I feel like my 30th birthday could not have gone by without me getting some Cleef. Okay, so we're unboxing some Cleef together. You guys know I've been so into jewelry lately, so I'm so excited to show you guys this piece. And I have had this pretty much since my birthday, and it's just been sitting in a corner of my room unopened because I didn't have time to make this video. So finally we're here. So if you guys want to see what I got myself for my 30th birthday, part 3, and this is the final part. That's it. I went crazy, but we're done now. Then please just keep on watching. But wait, you already know what I'm going to say. If you're not already subscribed, explain yourself. I post on Wednesdays and on Sundays at 9 a.m. Pacific Standard Time, 12 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. And I feel like you're going to want to be here when I do. If you like luxury, you like handbags, you like fashion, you like Cleef Arpels, you like birthday unboxings, I feel like this is definitely where you're going to want to be. So you should subscribe if you're not already. And you should follow me over on Instagram if you're not already. It's just the Katie Danger. I post every single day over there. Every day is a reel, outfit of the day, something on stories. We post a lot. We post a lot of random stuff over there. So you should follow me over there if you're not already. And with all that out of the way, let's jump into the unboxing. So we are ready to go. I know that there is a pull tab here, so I'm just gonna, again, this box is very large for the size of the item, but it's all good. You guys might know what this is, but I don't feel like it's as obvious as some of my past unboxings. So definitely let me know in the comments what you guys think it is as I figure out how to open this box. Don't worry, no rush, because it definitely takes me a long ass time to open this. So take your time, think about it, let it simmer. While I'm doing this, I will also link my previous Cleef Arpels unboxings above. I'm pretty sure I have like 3 or 4 on my channel, probably 4. So I'll link them all up above just in case you guys want to see me struggle with more boxes. So here is what it looks like inside. I'm so excited. I've actually never seen this piece in person. You guys know I'm an online shopper. I am sorry. I know SAs all over the world are cringing hearing me say this, but like I just can't be bothered, okay? I need to order what I want online and just go about my life. So I bought this online, which might give you a hint because nothing is ever available online. P.S. I never, ever keep these boxes. I'm sorry. I'm sure somebody out there is really mad about that, but I just can't. I can't do it, my man. I just can't do it, okay? I don't have space. So I think this is probably just like the paperwork. So we're gonna just toss that over. And here is the product. So you guys can probably tell from the shape of the box what it is, but maybe you don't know what it is, you know? So here's the item that I got. Let me know in the comments what you guys think it is. You can probably tell what it is, like the kind of product that it is, but you probably don't know the color, or maybe you do, I don't know. We'll see. Let me know in the comments what you think. And now, let's do it. Okay, wait, no, there's gonna be another box in here. I was gonna say to reveal, but no, there's another box. Okay, so now, what do you guys think it is? Let me know in the comments, just based off what I have and what I've mentioned in previous videos, if you guys have been here. But this is the moment of truth. This is my new Cleef Arpels necklace. This is the mother of pearl in the vintage size. You guys. So first, let me obviously take off the necklace that I am wearing. It's just a big old K. I bought this from Amazon, but it is special. I will show you. Oh no, it's stuck in the hair. I should have known better. You guys already know. Everything gets, like, this is just, everything gets stuck in my hair. My nails get stuck in my hair. My nails are not even long, by the way. They get stuck in my hair. My rings get stuck in my hair. Hence, I'm not wearing any rings today. So this is the necklace that I was wearing. It's obviously the letter K for Katie, but it's special because I don't know if the camera's even gonna pick this up. It says danger right there. I don't know if you guys are gonna be able to see that. There it is. I'll link it in the description box. But I've been wearing this like crazy because if you guys saw my Cleef and Alhambra Suite necklace review, I'll link that video up here. You guys know I am not the biggest fan of that necklace. So I did end up selling that necklace. So it is no longer in my collection. And I used that money for this. Obviously I had to pay more because this is the vintage size. So it costs more. But still, I'm very excited. I'm very excited. I'm a little nervous actually because I just like fixed my hair. I refreshed my hair. So there is gel, like pretty fresh gel in there. But oh my God, I'm so excited. Let me just show you up close before I actually put it on. This is the mother of pearl. I am obsessed with the mother of pearl ever since I got my bracelet, which I'll link that unboxing up here. I have been obsessed with it, and now I'm like, I want everything mother of pearl. I understand why this is the most popular stone because it's freaking stunning. I was kind of between this one and the black onyx because those are the two bracelets that I currently own, but
let me get this on and then I will tell you what I'm trying to say because I can't apparently think and put this on at the same time. Come on, it has to work like this. I'm too lazy. It worked.
Oh, look at it. I actually was planning on wearing a vest with this outfit. I might still, but I obviously had to take the vest off so you guys can see the necklace. Look at. So the sweet Alhambra was probably like all the way up here. Like it was choking me, but this size is just perfect. This length is perfect. So like I was saying, I was kind of between this one and the black onyx, but I have to be honest, I always liked this one as a necklace more than the black onyx. I feel like it also stands out so much more on my neck than the black onyx would. I also thought about adding the guilloche, but I don't have the bracelet that is the guilloche, although I have been thinking about adding it in 2024. I don't know, stay tuned. But I do think that this stands out even more than the guilloche. And even though the guilloche you can wear all the time, I don't plan on wearing this all the time, but even though you can wear the guilloche all the time, I just think that this really like pops. You guys also know that I had the diamond version of this on my wish list, but it did come off of my wish list because the price is just, I can't justify it personally. Like it was just not gonna happen, not for me. So I'm happy with this one. I think it stands out just as much as the diamond one does. I should get the bracelet, right? I'm gonna get the bracelet. I'm gonna stop being a lazy sack of crap and I'll get the bracelet.
You like my shorts? Haven't changed into my work pants yet.
So I just grabbed both of my 5 motif bracelets. So obviously I have the black onyx here and I have the mother of pearl. I absolutely love these freaking bracelets, but just to show you what the two, I guess, mother of pearls look like together, I'm just gonna put it on. You know what I'm saying? I was just being lazy before, but now I'm just gonna do it. I don't even think I'm gonna wear the black onyx one today because I'm in such a mother of pearl mood. P.S. I know people always say like this is the hardest thing to put on. I don't find it to be the hardest thing to put on, but obviously I'm saying that and now it's like the biggest struggle of my life. There we go. Here is my mother of pearl 5 motif bracelet. And now my necklace. Look at this combo. You cut that out right now. That is just everything. I'm not gonna put the black onyx one on. I love the black onyx, don't get me wrong. I'm not like hating on the black onyx. Black onyx is definitely harder wearing. It's not as delicate as the mother of pearl, and I think that the combo is perfect. Like I think the two of them together is just everything I've ever wanted out of my life. But I'm just, you know, I'm having a moment with the mother of pearl. Okay, it's what it is. Real quick, I forgot to mention this earlier. This is like way later on in the day. It's been like a solid 8 hours since I filmed. But I forgot to mention that I actually did have the opportunity to get the holiday pendant. And I know probably some of you guys thought I was going to get that. But honestly, that did not impress me. Like that obsidian gray, I don't know. I know a lot of people are going crazy over it right now. I'm going to put a picture of it right here. I truly like was not interested. Like I looked at it because I was excited to see what it would be. And then once I saw it was that obsidian rock, whatever it's called, we passed. Okay, we passed so fast. So I'm very happy with my piece. Let me know what you guys think. So that is it. That is my unboxing for today. Definitely let me know in the comments what you guys thought about my piece. Did you expect that this was the one that I was gonna get? I'm full throttle into jewelry right now, and Van Cleef is pretty obviously my favorite house. So I don't know. I don't think I'm gonna add earrings. I'm really not like an earring kind of person, but maybe another bracelet. Maybe I need the guilloche. Is there another one I need? Maybe carnelian, or maybe the carnelian one that is like half guilloche and like half, that one is not. Let me know in the comments what you guys think. But that is it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. Please don't forget to give it a thumbs up if you did like it. Don't forget to subscribe if you're not already. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram. I post every single day over there. And actually, before I let you go, let me know what bracelet in general, does not have to be Van Cleef, does not have to be Cartier, just a bracelet in general you think would go really good with my stack. I currently have 3 bracelets in my stack. I did sell one, but I'll talk about that in a different video. So this is my current stack, and I think I do want to add a 4th one. So let me know what you guys think would look good with these. I was thinking guilloche, but then I'm also thinking maybe a bangle. I don't know. Let me know. Let me know what you guys think. But that's it. For real, that's it. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.
What's in there?
No one's ever gonna know if you keep standing in here.